Harrington sefyll dros y gecrydd, na gadael i Williams. Oddi ar y traws a mergyd gan Josh Williams. Ac y bel yn dod yn ôl oddi ar y traws. Wel, dyna'r agosa i ni ddod hyd yn hyn. Sni dan bwysa. Rhyngtho fo ac Firth, a mae disgyn i Robles. Firth oddi ar ei llinell. Robles, os da cyfle. Oddi ar y llinell gan John Disney. Gwaith anhygol gan Disney. Wel, oedd Robles yn meddwl yn siŵr fod wedi camlo can y rhwyd. Cyfla'n dwad i Robles, ond Disney yn gwneud gwaith campus. Harrington. As Williams. Bel i'r canol. A dyna chi arbediad rhagorol gan Dave Jones. Nash efo'r peniad. Ac na Dave Jones yn wych i lawr i chwith. Harrington a Mendes tu allan. Mendes defnyddio Harrington. Cyfle am groesiad. Tuag at y canol. Bel yn disgyn i Horan ar y postyn pella. Ond gwaith da gan Dave Jones. Oedd y golwr allan yn sydyn y fanna i rwystro George Horan. Gadw'r gêm am di-sgôr. Williams. Tuag at Horan ar y postyn pella. Bel yn ôl gan Nash. Disgyn i Disney. Cyfle mergyd. Heibio i bawb. Ac Sutton a Jones rhwngthyn nhw yn clirio i'r Drenewydd i gadw'r gêm am di-sgôr.
The first 15-20 minutes I thought it was very even and you know, ebbed and flowed, and it could have gone either way in the first 20 minutes, but after that, you know, we settled into the game, and I think there was only one team really that dominated possession, dominated the chances, and as I say, we're disappointed. We're delighted with the performance, but we are disappointed that we've come away with a point. But saying that, you know, Newtown on the back of six games unbeaten, you know, they had a sticky start, and you know, they've come good certainly in the last number of weeks, so you know, it's a difficult place to come, and to get a point, you know, obviously we'll have to take a point.
You know, we needed to get our nose in front. We didn't, but you know, I thought second half, Quay were very good. Put us under lots of pressure. My goalkeeper and the back four dealt with it really, really well. And look, it's a good point. It's a good point, and it's a clean sheet against, like I said, a very good team.
Yeah, so mae dal yn lle anodd i dod. Ti'n meddwl, ni efo'r chances, just ddim yn disgyn yn y lle cywir. A just ddim gallu gorffen y gêm ffwrdd, ond o'n efo ail hanner lot o'r meddiant a just dim cweit cael dros y llinell.